biometric residence permits, BRPs, for Tier 4 UK visas. If you have got Tier 4 UK visa packet should have the BRP collection letter in it. Students have to show this letter at the time of immigration, and if a student flies to the UK without that letter, then they may stop them at immigration. Your BRP will include your name, date, and place of birth, your fingerprints and a photo of your face. This is your biometric information, your immigration status and any conditions of your stay, whether you can access public funds, for example, benefits and health services. Why you need a BRP? You can use your BRP to confirm your right to study or work in the UK, right to any public services or benefits you are entitled to. https://www.applyboard.com/partners/high profiles